friends. My name is Janine Pettit. I'm the founder of Girl Camper, editor-in-chief of Girl Camper magazine, and brand partner with Keystone RV, the largest manufacturer of towables in North America. I am here in Wilkes-Barre, PA, because guess what? I just bought myself a Hideout, and today I'm showing it off to you. Let's go. Here we are, friends, inside the 2021 Hideout. I just got this Hideout because I am going to become a renter, an RV renter with Outdoorsy, the largest peer-to-peer rental service in the world. I looked around and I thought to myself, what would people enjoy if they were going on a vacation? And when I saw the floor plan for this Hideout, I was sold. Let me show you some of the things that made me fall in love with this unit. I'm going to start with the Murphy bed. How cool is this? I love the fact that you can have this bed and it's hidden away, but during the day, you're not going to walk into your unit and be tripping over a bed, the blankets, everything hanging off the bed. It doesn't become a dumping ground for everything. Keystone really knocked it out of the park when they redesigned the Murphy bed. If you take a closer look at this, you'll see things that you don't see in other Murphy beds. This is so tight-fitting that your bedding and your blankets aren't stuffing out the side. Here we have a great little sofa that folds over so easily. Ta-da! Pull the button. A walk-around queen bed. I love this bed. I love how simple it is to pull down. I love how it hides away so completely. But when it's out, let me show you a few features. Inside here, there is a little hidden spot. So if you have a CPAP machine, or you just want to keep all of your cosmetics in there, or things that your reading materials, your nightlight, your denture guard, whatever it is, your retainer, you put all your little personal stuff in there and you have it stored away. There is double plugs on both sides, USB ports on both sides, so everything you need to tuck yourself in at night. And look how simple this is to return back to its former. That easy. I did it with one hand. Pull this back up, auto latch, flip it over. It's daytime, and here you are. So you've got these nightstands during the day. Check out the little hidden space underneath. You tuck a pair of shoes in there. You got two nice drawers in either of these nightstands. Plenty of stuff. Another thing, so important, the cross windows. So got little windows here, you got light on both sides, but when you get these things open at night, you've got a cross breeze going. There's really great storage on both sides. If you wanted to, you could add a shelf. There is hangers there, but this is a large capacity side closet. We've got an upper shelf going here and foldable bags, blankets, beach towels, anything you want to put up there. So I'm going to have some board games up there. So when you are choosing to spend some time with your family at the campground, maybe you'll have time to do some of the things that we don't normally get to do at home. So in this slide out section, it's not a super big slide out, but it's the whole dining booth. But look at the kind of floor space you get here. If you have a dog, you travel with a dog, there's space, there's room for kids, there's room for walking around. If you're making dinner together, I love this because it has such a big open floor plan feel. But this booth is actually quite large. So when this booth is folded down, you can sleep two children here, even teenagers, and it's a decent size booth and sleeping. The table pops off, drops down, the cushions, you know the drill. It becomes an extra bed. This kitchen has everything you need for the perfect RV weekend or long cross-country trip. This is what I fell in love with. the counter space here. This is like a bowling alley. This is so much counter space. We've got a deep sink in here, which is plenty of room to fill your spaghetti pot, or when you're making corn on the cob. We've got a nice big arched faucet that you can easily fill pots and rinse and wash things with. I love the microwave here, and I love its location, tucked right there, blending in with the cabinets, with lots of extra storage space next to here. So I am imagining that this is going to be a great spot to carry some of the soft pack things that I want to get out of the way, and I don't have to worry about them rattling around. And then I can use this cabinet for the larger things that I carry, maybe my Dutch oven pans. We've got a 2-burner propane stove here, super nice and sleek. And I love this extra space back here. And I think what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna have a custom cutting board made for here that I can just keep in there with 2 handles. I can pull it out here, I can prep, I can make charcuterie, and I can carry the whole thing outside and put it on the picnic table. I love that I have 2 plugs back here. What a great place to just stash your crock pot on a chilly day when you're out for a hike and come home and have a nice warm dinner ready to go. So everything I need in this kitchen, including this really, really big refrigerator. I love the storage bins down here. Lots of cabinet or door space there, but I'm really loving the size of this freezer. I always carry an ice machine with me when I camp. So as I hear my ice machine dumping fresh load of ice, I fill it up in a Ziploc bag and I keep it in the freezer, and I always have ice to go. Look at this fun thing. This is a Bluetooth speaker system that comes with every Hideout. Can take this out. In here, I'm cooking, I'm listening to it. Now I want to go outside. I plop it next to the grill. I plop it on the picnic table. I have a little dinner music going. This is an RV kitchen dream. I have had a wet bath in every RV I've ever owned, so it's kind of been my daydream to have a real 3-piece bathroom. Check out how large this shower is. That is a really big shower, and I love having that. And the fantastic fan is such a great thing to have in the bathroom. So you could turn on that fantastic fan, get lots of airflow going in there, wipe out that bathroom with a squeegee, and you are good to go. So we've got a nice deep bowl in there, counter space, storage under there, and a big wall, and I'm dying to see what I can do with that wall. Probably some kind of towel storage, but it's going to be fun playing with it. I'm going to be showing you every step of the way what we do with this Keystone Hideout, and I hope you'll follow us over at Keystone.